Hello, my name is Michael Garry. I'm the editor of Accelerate America magazine, and I'm here with Andy Baker, president of Your Clean Energy, an energy consulting firm based in Anchorage.
That's right.
Alaska. And we're here at the AHR Expo, checking out the latest and greatest technology in the heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration industry. Andy is a very creative engineer who designed an innovative heat pump system in Alaska, in Seward, Alaska, using CO2 as the refrigerant and drawing heat from the ocean to serve the heating needs of the Alaska Sea Life Center in Seward. We did an article on this last year for Accelerate America magazine that was very well received. And Andy is going to give us an update on that and some of his newest work with CO2 heat pumps. Andy.
Thanks, Michael. So at the Alaska Sea Life Center last year in January, we installed 4 20-ton CO2 units, and they've been operating successfully since then. And what the center has been able to do is to offset 98% of their conventional boiler use by using the CO2 heat pumps. And these heat pumps make 194-degree water, which we blend into a 160-degree loop, so we're able to heat all the existing medium temperature appliances in the buildings, or baseboards, fan coils, duct coils, and this has worked very successfully. The city of Seward, which surrounds the Sea Life Center and owns that building, has taken an interest in this technology. They've seen the success, and they themselves have pursued a starter district heating system for 4 of their buildings, their library, their city hall, fire hall, and an annex, in which they would put the CO2 heat pumps in those buildings and then have a source loop that would run to the tide water in the gravel to become the heating source on the cold side of the heat pumps. And again, the CO2 heat pumps would make the medium temperature that they need to integrate with their existing heating appliances. And this project is anticipated to take place starting in the latter half of 2018.
And these heat pumps are from Miyakawa, is that correct?
They are. They were made in Hiroshima, Japan, and shipped to Seward, and supported by Miyakawa USA. And Troy Davis from California is the engineer who has supported the project and come down and started it up. We've had a lot of success with them. They're very quiet, and one of the big pluses that we have is we've not only eliminated the fossil fuel boiler, we've gotten off of the synthetic refrigerants in the conventional heat pump technology. So if we were to have a leak, that's a small leak of CO2 and not an R134A, for example, that would go in the atmosphere and persist for 500 years and be a greenhouse gas. So this is a big deal for Seward.
That's great. So you're no longer using R134A.
Well, we have the original system at the Sea Life Center. It does use R134A and eventually will be phased out. But this project was a demonstration to show that the CO2 makes hotter water more efficiently and eliminates that refrigerant. So now we have the real option. As long as we've got the ocean source and the CO2 refrigerant, we could literally do the entire downtown in a district heating system over time.
Okay, well that's really exciting, Andy. I think it shows the potential of CO2 as a refrigerant for heat pumps to serve large heating requirements of buildings and district heating as well. So thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you for having me.